Okay guys, so welcome to Gyeedu Tutors. This is another question again. So this question is very easy. If you see it, don't skip. Watch it. So this question is about trigonometry 1, and we have what? Cos x to 3/5. Okay. You know a popular saying of opposite over adjacent and like all those things. So now to solve this is between what? 0 and 90. Okay. So now let's draw a replacement plane first. Okay. So now I said this between what? Cos is what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. Okay. So we draw our triangle here and we put our x here. This angle is between what? 0 and 90 degrees. Okay. So now let's do a right angle triangle so that we trace it towards our hypotenuse. But they are saying what? Cos x is equal to what? 3/5. Okay. So 3/5. That means what? Cos is what? Cos is the adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. And we know that hypotenuse faces what? The right angle triangle. So our hypotenuse is what? 5. 5 units or centimeters, but they didn't give it, so it's 5. Okay, 5 units. And our adjacent is what? 3. Okay. So now the question is asking us to calculate 3 times x and 2 sin x plus 3 plus x. So now we don't know for the opposite. And so the opposite is, let's name it x. But since there is a right angle inside, we can use Pythagoras to find x. So let's find out x using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now the 3 squared plus 8 x squared, which is equal to 5 squared. 5 squared is the hypotenuse. Okay. So now the next point, 3 squared is what? 9 plus x squared, which is equal to what? 25. So now we group like things. X squared is equal to 25 minus 9. Okay. X squared is equal to 16. You find the root on both sides. So now our x is what? 4. Okay. So now we have our x to 4. So now, so using the SOHCAHTOA, cos is what? Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and sin x is what? Sin x is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse, which is equal to 4/5. Okay, and our term of x is equal to opposite over, which is the same as what? Opposite is what? 4. Adjacent is 3. So now the easy part, you just compute it inside. So now the first side is to calculate. Okay. So now you have what? 3 x over 2 sin x, which is equal to and x is 4/3, and sin x is 4/5. So 2 4/5, and cos x is 3 times what? 5. So the top side, the denominator is what? 3 times 3 cancel each other, so you get 4 top C. And the downside is what? 8 over 5 plus 9 over 5. When you get to this side, this one is the same as 4 over 17 over 5. What is the same as? If you do the multiplication, guess what? 20 over 17. So maybe let's use next fraction. 1 over 3 over 20. So therefore, 3 times x over 2 is equal to 1 over 3 over 17. Very, very easy. So you see, don't skip. Good.